to, to construct a true shape of section for hexagonal prism where the hexagon has a 60 millimeters across corners. We start with the front, plan, and end. So far I have established the X and Y, the 10 millimeters around. I will start off with the front, with the end elevation, front, plan, and end. The end is a hexagon. Onto the end, this is the 10 millimeter away from the X, from the Y, and this is 10 millimeter away from the X. So here I want to set off 30. Okay. And here I want to set off a height of 26. Try to be as accurate as possible. 26. Once I've established 26, draw a horizontal line right across the joint. Then I'm using the center, opening to 30 millimeters. Okay, 30 millimeters, which one I had set here before. Complete circle. Okay, using the same radius now, I want to position my compass here first and then here. Okay, so first, still the radius of the circle from this point. One arc on my left and my right. Same process from this other end point. Above and below. Okay, that gives me the required hexagon. You can start drawing the hexagon. Again, import the order in which you draw the sides is not important. Regardless of which order, you will still get a hexagon. Important to label. So we label as A, C, and F. Okay, now we need to project these to the plan. These points are the same, A, B, and D, and A and B. So these points would be A, this is F, E and A represent this point, B and D represent that point, C is this point here. I want to move them across. It's 1, it's 2. It's 3, and then there we have this point already been projected across. Okay, the top or the front has been projected across 1, 2, and then we need the top, which is this point here. The length is 100. It's there. Okay, then at the top you're saying that you need to, it has a cutting plane of 20 millimeters, distance from the edge 20, so we're referring to the base, and it has an angle of 45 degrees again. It's similar to the previous drawing, but the angle is 45. We then project these lines vertically. And these lines can be darkened now. Okay, only the front. The front with the portion being cut. And the bottom is as follows. We find point A. This represents A. We follow this line vertically. This represents A here. So you can draw a small circle. When I go to B, this is B2. This represents B. Okay. Then we go to C, which is this point. We follow the line vertically, horizontally, and this is C, which is the center. Wherever these two meet is a point of intersection. D is this point, and this goes horizontally across. We follow. It's D, E, vertical, horizontal, E, horizontal, vertical. This point, and then F is this point, which is this. They follow, and there we go. So our drawing would be we don't have a vertical yet. And establish that line. Okay, points need to be named. Darken the X and Y. This is F. E, B, This is C here, D, E here to the top, that is DE. This is CF, and this is a BA, sorry. Okay, so we need now to project to obtain a true shape, and that is an angle of 45 degrees. Project. Right, then I get X. I'll start with A, same process as before. A, follow where A is, scribe B now, given that I'm already here. Follow the same line, X, Y prime, scribe. I need to get where F now. This is F. C now, which is here. C. Then I will get E, which is here. And then from here we'll get B. Okay. And the figure looks as follows. Label. Okay, so this is Y prime, X prime, this is E, F, this is A, B, C, and D. Last thing to do, and there we have the true shape of section. All right, thank you guys for following.